Morning everyone, I'll be the representative of Group 5. I'll be reporting about 8 uses and functions of a word processor. 1. Typing and editing text. This creates letters, essay, and report. It also allows you to delete, copy, cut, and paste text easily. Number 2. Formatting documents. To change font style, size, colors, and alignment. To make documents neat and organized. Number 3. Spell check and grammar check. This automatically finds spelling and grammar errors. This helps improve the quality of your writing. Number 4. Inserting images and graphics. It adds picture, clip art, shape, and chart. It makes the document more attractive and informative. Number 5. Creating tables. To organize information in rows and columns. It is useful of schedule, data, or comparison. Number 6. Saving and storing files. This saves your works for future editing, and it allows you to store files on your device and cloud. Number 7. Printing documents. This lets you print your works into paper copies and use for assignment, reports, and handouts. Number 8. Sharing and collaboration. To allow sharing documents through link or files and lets multiple people edit the same document.
In summary, a word processor is a powerful digital tool with 8 main functions that help us create and manage documents more efficiently. It allows us to type and edit text for essays, reports, and letters, while formatting tools help make our work neat by adjusting font style, size, color, and alignment. Check and grammar check improve accuracy by automatically detecting errors, and inserting images and graphics makes documents clearer and more interesting. It also supports creating tables to organize information in rows and columns, and saving and storing files ensure our work is safe and can be edited later. Printing lets us produce paper copies for schools or office use. And sharing and collaboration features allow multiple people to view or edit the same document online. Overall, these 8 functions make a word processor an essential tool for producing organized, attractive, and professional documents. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.